Let's go ahead and talk about her. I like her. I really like this wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm reviewing this wig from Nutique. I have reviewed a wig from this collection before, but it was a U-part wig. And I like the way the fibers felt on that so much that I went and got another one. So this one is a whole 13 by 5 lace frontal. And y'all might want to stick around and see what I say. You know, I think she might be worth it. So stick around and see if she's worth it to you. If you like content like this, consider sticking around. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And let's jump into it. Alright guys, so this wig is from Nutique. I have reviewed the human hair U-part wigs from this brand. And I really did like it. That I liked it so much that I went back and got more wigs. So I saw that they dropped a 13 by 5 lace frontal. I do have that other wig coming up for you guys, Mayberry, that I told you guys about. That's coming up. This one is a 13 by 5 lace frontal. So I'm like, okay, let's see what they're working with. If you're not familiar with Nutique, I wasn't either. It seems like it's from the brand It's a Wig. This is what the stock card is looking like. It's Nutique Illuze. It says it's virtually undetectable HD lace. It's a lot of pretty colors in the back here too. Got some reds, some browns. I like that blend. I might have to go back and get that blend right there. I don't know. Balayage Fancy Bronze and Balayage Copper Espresso. Okay. Spicy Red, Carrot Copper, and this one on the stock card, I guess, is Spicy Red. So yeah, it's a 13 by 5 lace frontal. It's HD lace. It says it's pre-plucked. This is not a blend like the U-part wig. I wish it kind of was because I love the texture of that U-part wig. This one is just a regular synthetic wig. I have the style Solmina. I guess that's how you say it. And I have the color 1B. So this is what she's looking like. How are you guys doing? Do you guys like when I review brands that we like don't know, or you want to stick to the brands we know? But I'm always curious to see what other brands are working with, because some of these other brands drop wigs like every 2 days and it's hard to keep up. But I'm real curious to see what these other brands are working with, because we need options. Okay, all right, so out the pack, this is what it's looking like. She's really soft. I like the texture. Okay, we get these little curl foamers because they want to keep the curls. Thank you, Nutique. I like the texture of this wig. Even though it's more on the silky side, I do like the texture. This is what the lace is looking like. So you're going to get those combs underneath the lace. You're going to get an elastic band if you want to wear it glueless. And then, you know, you comb in the back. This is what the lace is looking like up against my skin. And I like how thin those knots are looking. These knots look really good, y'all. Like, look at that. So let's go ahead and put this on. Stop talking. Ooh, okay. I thought the cap would have been too small, but it's not. So looking on the stock card, I thought this wig would have been a little bit more textured, but that could just be me because of the other wig being more textured. But I like this wig. This feels good. This is the hairline. The hairline doesn't look too bad at all, y'all. That looks good. I'm going to cut this wig, put my powder on it, go ahead and customize it just a tad. I want to just tweeze right in here just a little bit. Y'all remember when I didn't used to tweeze my wigs? Now I'm just like the tweezing queen. But I feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural and realistic when you do that. So that's why I do that. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that. So I'm going to play some music or talk this part through. This wig is kind of shedding on me too already, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's play some music. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the pack. I went in with my hot comb and my tweezers. After the hot comb, this is what it looked like. The hairline looks really good, but I went in and I tweezed it just a tad. That's one side compared to the other, and this is it fully plucked. I have a full plucking tutorial, which I'll link in the cards. To tint my lace, I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is what it looked like against my skin. And now I'm just lining up the wig because I am going to go ahead and melt it. If you know me, you know I love my bedhead spray. This is a temporary lace adhesive. It's not specifically made for lace wigs, but it works, so I use it. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of spray underneath the wig, and I'm going in with my blow dryer just for about 2 minutes to dry it, and then I go in on the sides, which later I end up going in with my liquid bowl hold, so I don't even know why I did this, but anyway, yeah, so I'm just spraying it down, and then I'm also putting a little bit of that adhesive on top of the lace, and I'm drying it some more. I'm using my comb to press in the lace, and then I'm going to go in with this liquid bowl hold. I really like this. Again, this is not glue. It's a temporary adhesive, but it does help for that that wig on the side, like the flaps, and then I go in with my melting band and I let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now after that is dried to my liking, I'm just going to go in and break up some of that adhesive because it is going to be a little stiff, so I'm using that rat tail comb to break it up, and I'm also using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to get off some of that residue. And now I'm going to match this lace to my complexion some more, because if you look up sometimes you'll notice like a white cast after you remove your melting band. I'm going in with a darker shade, my contour color, and I'm matching it some more. Now this Ebin spray, yes, I did like it, it's good, but yes, there's some controversy right now with the company. This video was made way before, you probably won't be seeing me use it anymore. Look it up and find out all the controversy going on, but it's okay. Anyway, so now I'm just customizing these little swoops that I chose to go in with on the side. You don't have to do that. And I'm also tweezing it a little bit to make it look more natural, applying those final touches. And now I'm just going to go in with the side part. I'm going in with some wig products. I highly recommend that you get synthetic wig products for the tangling and the snags. This is all linked under Wig Essentials in my description box if you need any tools. And this brush is also amazing. I'm applying the final touches with my hot comb, and that pretty much was it. All right, my friends, so I'm finished putting on this wig. Let's go ahead and talk about her. I like her. I really like this wig. I'm impressed. Initially, I thought the texture was a little too silky, but it's actually not. It's kind of like it has like a slight yucky to it, so it feels good, but it is silky. It's not Barbie doll silky, but it feels good. Pros and cons. Cons, I'm just kind of getting a little bit shedding with this, but I think it's just because I did tweeze up that hairline a little bit. I think the hairline does look good on this. But again, I did customize it a tad and tweeze it. But I feel like with synthetic wigs, sometimes that's a little expected. Definitely get this brush. I keep stressing to you guys, I love this brush. It really does help detangle these wigs. I'm not getting much snags with this wig. I'm getting the typical synthetic wig snags, but I think this might be kind of my favorite silky synthetic wig texture from a brand, if that makes sense. This is reminding me more of like kind of like a Bobbi Boss fiber. But I really do like it. I like the density on this wig. She is kind of full, but she's not too thick. And I did put some synthetic wig products on here, but I feel like you have to do that anyway. But I like the curls. I feel like it's a nice kind of body wave wig. I did review a body wave wig recently. That one was a little bit thinner. This one's a little bit thicker. But overall, I do like this wig. You can part her anywhere you like. I went to the side. Yeah, I like the side. Go in the middle. Go on the left side, right side. Pick a side. Do I recommend this wig? Absolutely. I think she's gorgeous. I think they did a good job. The lace blends good. The knots are really thin. Like, this is a really good synthetic lace frontal. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Do you want me to pick up some more Nutique wigs? And let me know what else you guys want to see. Drop some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.